Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to know if someone unfollowed you on Instagram. Let's get straight to it. So let's say for example you don't have Instagram on your phone. All you need to do first, just go and download it through Play Store if you have an Android, or App Store if you have an iPhone. Then all you need to do, just go sign in to create your account. If you already have an account or own an account, just go log in and let's get straight to Instagram. So after entering Instagram, all you need to do, just go and click on the heart icon on the top right corner. Here you will see if someone followed you, comment on your posts, like your post. You will see everything on earlier, or maybe just look for it here. So how to know if someone unfollowed me after he followed? As you can see, it's simply by going to your profile. Just go and click on the bottom right corner at your icon or your profile picture. Just go click on that. As you can see here, you will find your profile. So how can I see if someone unfollowed me? All I need to do, just go and click on followers. For me, I have 9. Just click on that, and as you can see here, you can find the people that are following me right now. If you want maybe to follow them back, if you want to remove their follow, just click on remove and the follow will be removed. And let's see, for example, my followings. Here is the list of people that I followed, and here is the list the people that is following me. So let's say for example someone is followed me here, the notifications show that he followed me, but if you come here you will not find it. That means he certainly unfollowed you. So that is for this tutorial, guys. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.